Which of the following must be avoided when passing another vehicle? A. Returning to the right side of the road immediately after passing the other vehicle. B. On a two-lane road, blinking your headlights to let the other driver know you're passing. C. Returning to the right side of the road immediately after passing the other vehicle. Or D. Giving your signal before you move into the left lane. Correct answer is A. Returning to the right side of the road immediately after passing another vehicle. Passing a stopped school bus will result in points being added. A. 3 points. B. 5 points. C. 2 points. Or D. 4 points. Correct answer is D. 4 points. When following a motorcycle, drivers must remember that motorcycles can than other vehicles. A. Stop much more quickly. B. Drive much faster. C. Accelerate much faster. And D. Stop much more slowly. Correct answer is A. Stop much more quickly. Doing all you can to prevent crashes is called A. Boring driving. B. Crash prevention driving. C. Defensive driving. Or D. Anti-collision driving. Correct answer is C. Defensive driving. A driver needing to turn a car around in a very small space should A. Make a U-turn if possible. B. Use a 3-point U-turn on a curve. C. Always use a 3-point turn. Or D. Drive to the next roundabout. Correct answer is A. Make a U-turn if possible. When the light is red, drivers A. Must come to a complete stop before moving into the intersection. B. Must stop after entering the intersection. C. Can go, but only if the intersection is clear. Or D. Must yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. Correct answer would be A. Must come to a complete stop before moving into the intersection. When passing a truck, drivers should A. Pass on the right. B. Decrease their speed if passing the truck on a downgrade. C. Pull in front of the truck before they can see the cab. Or D. Let the truck driver know they are passing by blinking their headlights. Correct answer is D. Let the truck driver know they are passing by blinking their headlights. People who drive after drinking risk A. Injuries and fatalities. B. Higher insurance rates and jail sentences. C. Heavy fines, loss of license. Or D. All of the above. Correct answer would be D. All of the above. At 40 miles per hour, the average driver's reaction time accounts for feet traveled. A. 60. B. 44. C. 56. Or D. 32. Correct answer would be B. 44 feet. This sign means A. Emerging traffic sign. B. A right curve sign. C. A side road sign. Or D. A reduction of lanes sign. Correct answer would be C. A side road sign. Ramp signals. A. Control the weight of trucks entering a freeway. B. Control the speed of vehicles entering a freeway. C. Control the rate of vehicles entering a freeway. Or D. Are not considered traffic control devices. Correct answer would be C. Control the rate of vehicles entering a freeway. Which of the following is not a defensive driving tip? A. It is better to swerve right instead of towards oncoming traffic to prevent a crash. B. Hitting a post is better than hitting a bush. C. It is better to drive off the road than skid off when avoiding a crash. Or D. Hitting a car moving in the same direction as you are is better than hitting a car head on. The correct answer would be B. Hitting a post is better than hitting a bush. This sign means A. You must make a U-turn, B. You may make a U-turn, C. Hairpin corner ahead, or D. Warning sharp left turn ahead. Correct answer would be A. You must make a U-turn. When you are driving on a multi-lane road, if another vehicle moves into your lane right in front of you, cutting you off, you should A. Stay calm, slow down if necessary to avoid a crash, and gently drop back to a safe following distance. B. Brake only if necessary to avoid a crash and follow the other vehicle closely for a while. C. Brake sharply, or D. Honk your horn and brake firmly to quickly drop back from the other vehicle. Correct answer would be A. Stay calm, slow down if necessary to avoid a crash, and gently drop back to a safe following distance. Drinking alcohol while taking other drugs could cause A. The effects of alcohol to be multiplied, B. Serious health problems, C. Death, or D. All of the above. Correct answer would be D. All of the above. When a public transit bus traveling in the same direction has signaled and is re entering the traffic flow, drivers should A. None of the answers are correct. B. Pass the bus on the right. C. Yield the right of way to the bus. Or D. Pass the bus on the left. Correct answer would be C. Yield the right of way to the bus. This sign warns drivers of A. A windy road. B. A narrow bridge ahead. C. Low clearance. Or D. A low place in the road. Correct answer would be B. A narrow bridge ahead. What does overdriving your headlights mean? A. Driving so fast that you cannot stop within the range of the headlights. B. Driving over a bridge with your headlights on. C. Driving so fast that you could break your headlights. Or D. Driving so slow that your headlights go into standby mode. Correct answer would be A. Driving so fast that you cannot stop within the range of the headlights. Overdriving your headlights is dangerous because A. Your stopping distance is greater than the effective illumination of your headlights. B. You cannot see upcoming road hazards. C. Your stopping distance is too short. Or D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. And pavement marking may be painted on the paved approach to a railroad crossing. A. SXS. B. TXC. C. RXR. Or D. RXC. Correct answer is C. RXR pavement marking. When following motorcycles, drivers should A. Reduce the minimum following distance. B. Keep more space in front of their vehicle. C. Try to pass them as they have different braking capabilities than other motor vehicles. Or D. Keep less space in front of their vehicle. Correct answer would be B. Keep more space in front of their vehicle. When approaching any intersection or driveway, drivers should A. Look both ways and be ready to stop. B. Change lanes. C. Drive at the fastest speed just before entering the intersection. Or D. Pass other vehicles and then stop. Correct answer would be A. Look both ways and be ready to stop. Blink are required by law when changing lanes or overtaking a vehicle. A. Turn signals. B. Traffic signals. C. Four-way emergency flashers. Or D. High beam headlights. Correct answer is A. Turn signals. On a two-way roadway with a center lane, drivers from either direction can make on the center lane A. Left turns. B. Right turns. C. U-turns. Or D. Sudden turns. The correct answer is A, left turns. Under what conditions are drivers allowed to turn right on a red light? A. After yielding to pedestrians in crosswalks and to vehicles still in the intersection. B. At most intersections after stopping if the way is clear. C. After a complete stop. Or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. The length of a point suspension is 3 months for A. 18 points within an 18-month period. B. 24 points within a 24-month period. C. 9 points within an 18-month period. Or D. 12 points within a 12-month period. Correct answer would be A. 18 points within a 18-month period. This sign warns drivers that A. There is a low place in the road. B. The highway ahead is divided into two one-way roadways. Drivers should keep to the right. C. There is a double curve ahead. Or D. There is a windy road ahead. Correct answer would be C. There is a double curve ahead. Which of the following is recommended for mature drivers? A. Installing small side mirrors to improve visibility. B. Not wearing safety belts while fatigued. C. Stopping to rest every 2 hours on long trips. Or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Stopping to rest every 2 hours on long trips.